Okay, so we're ready to mud now. Shouldn't say mud. This is technically joint setting compound, but this is the setting type. So it's going to harden. It's got a hardening agent in it, like Paris of Plaster, or I'm sorry, Plaster of Paris, or some other type of agent in it that actually hardens the mud. You don't have to wait, days for it to dry. So it's ideal for repair over plaster and other hard surfaces like that. So I've got it to like a peanut butter type consistency. See if I can show you here. So it kind of stays on there. You want that to have a lot of hang time. So it's got good hang time there. So that means that we're ready to go. We're ready to fill in some of these voids on this wall. And this will be just the first rough rendering of this wall. And then after that, we'll go back and we'll lay a primary skim coat over top of it. All right? So kick back and watch this for a couple minutes.